I'm going to show you the 3 secrets to burning fat and toning your body once and for all. No, it's not a diet, it's not a magic fat loss pill, and it's not an exercise gadget that's going to sit around gathering dust. It's 3 simple things. Imagine a triangle, and the 3 secrets are the 3 legs of a triangle. Component number 1 is resistance training. The next component is what you eat, nutrition. And of course, the third component is cardiovascular training. You may have heard of these before. You may even be doing some of these. But I assure you that you are not doing them in a way where you can get 200% or even 300% faster fat loss and muscle toning results. See, the secret to burning mass amounts of fat and calories during your workout is in a little thing called metabolic training. And I'm willing to bet it's something that you're not doing right now. See, most people are under the impression that they can just go to the gym and jump on the treadmill or the elliptical and stay there for 30 to 60 minutes and burn fat because they're in their target heart rate zone. Unfortunately, you can't do that. Here's why. The target heart rate zone doesn't really exist. It's old information based on bunk science, yet you see the target heart rate posters in every gym across the country. But the fact of the matter is, when you jump on a treadmill or any piece of cardio equipment for that matter, you're going to want to get your heart rate to peak and valley for maximum results. In fact, if you do it right, you can actually work out half the time and get twice the results. This is called high intensity interval training, or HIIT, and it's known as the #1 way to burn off fat and to boost your metabolism. Now, you and I both know that you can't tone your body without resistance training. This means you've got to use some kind of weight-bearing exercises. So if you're just doing cardio alone, you might lose weight, but you may end up skinny fat. Think of what a skinny fat person looks like. A marathon runner. If you look at someone who's really fit and athletic, think of a sprinter. While they're both runners, the sprinter has lean, tight, toned muscles that are defined, whereas the marathon runner is what we call skinny fat. Now, I'm guessing you probably want to look more like the sprinter and less like the marathon runner, right? So you're going to have to do resistance training. Now, what we do here at our fitness center is different than what anyone else does for their workout, which is also why our clients get amazing results. See, while most people do resistance training and then follow it up with cardiovascular training, we combine the two together to not only give you a faster workout, but to also help you double your calorie burning effect. That's what high-intensity interval training is all about. We're going to incorporate muscle toning resistance workouts with calorie-burning high-intensity cardio bursts, and that's going to cause your heart rate to peak and valley and give you the metabolic conditioning results that you need to burn more fat, lose more inches in a fraction of the time. This is all backed by science. Metabolic conditioning is the fastest and most effective way to work out and burn off belly fat. So imagine this. What if I could show you how to boost metabolism and help you burn fat all day, even when you're not working out? And what if I could help you melt off the pounds in half the time it would take you at the gym? Wouldn't you want to know how you could join a workout program like this? Well, I'll let you in on it in just a moment. But first, we should talk about the third component of the fitness triangle, and that's your nutrition. The fact of the matter is, you can't out-train a bad diet. It doesn't matter how hard you work. If you're eating junk, it's going to show. So our job here is to also give you a sensible meal plan to follow so that you can start losing even more fat without having to starve yourself or go on a drastic diet. See, we don't believe in diets. We believe in giving you a meal plan that works with your schedule and your goals for fitness and fat loss. That's why we show you what to eat, how much to eat, and when to eat it. And it's all based on your current eating habits. And so our job is to give you a goal-specific meal plan to follow that's designed to help you get maximum fat loss. Of course, with our resistance training that incorporates cardio bursts, you get twice the workout results in half the time. Now here's what I want you to do next. If you think that this type of workout might benefit you and that it might work better than what you're currently doing, then I want you to come try us out. So just click the link down below to visit our website where you can come try out our amazing metabolic conditioning workouts.